Hey, welcome back to Malaysia. I am Mr. JEGIS, sharing with you Science for One today. And our topic today is going to be fertilization in plants, right? A very quick one. I'm just going to explain simply how you should understand the fertilization in plants. So let's focus straight to the point, a flower, right? So how does the fertilization process begins? Of course, with the pollen grain, isn't it? So we start with the anther. All right, assuming you have an anther. Right, from the anther, okay, and the pollen grains will fly. The pollen grain flies and reach a stigma. There, like that. So let's say this is our stigma, right? And then it goes down through the style. But wait, this process does not happen directly. There's a small problem here. You should know, once the pollen grain reaches the stigma, there is a new process which takes place at the stigma here, known as germination. So for fertilization to take place, germination should happen first. So when germination is done, pollen tube is produced. The male gamete will be in the pollen tube, right? So now the male gamete through the pollen tube moves inside. From anther to stigma, through the style, moves inside and reaches the ovary. Reaches the ovary. Inside the ovary, the pollen tube has to penetrate the first layer, micropyle. Right, let's use the same color so that you're not confused. Micropyle. Once the pollen tube penetrates through the micropyle, it will reach the ovule, the last part, the ovule. At the ovule, this is where the male gamete and female gamete will combine and fertilization takes place. Remember, how are you supposed to remember this in an easy way? Just remember A, S, O, M, O, asomo, something like Japanese, right? Why asomo? It's anther, stigma, style, ovary, micropyle, ovule. There you go. The flow of the pollen grain before fertilization takes place. Thank you, my dear students. I will meet you again in more fantastic videos. You have a nice day. See you all.